Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Arkan Setiawan, and I'm from the international management, like in my fifth semester, and I will use a bilinguals as an Indonesians and also English, since the study that I handle, the major that I handle is econometric for the international student. So let's start it. Oke, jadi nomor satu, what is the classic methodology approach consists of several stages. Mention and explain this stage. Actually, in the book that we use, it will be Gujarati books and it mention 8 steps. Jadi di buku nanti bakal dijelasin 8 steps untuk setiap approach di econometric ini. Di kiri ini saya udah sediain jawaban. I already answered it. So the first of all, ini nanti kalian kalau mau cari di book ada di bab paling awal in the first chapter. So the first one is statement of theory hypothesis. Jadi apa sih statement of theory hypothesis? Ini itu adalah sebuah statement atau teori dari orang-orang, pokoknya ya peneliti-peneliti untuk menguatkan apa ya istilahnya itu, eh sesuatu yang ingin kalian teliti. Nanti kan, so econometric is a science that measure di or forecasting, memprediksi di economic phenomena. Jadi econometric ini adalah suatu ilmu yang akan memprediksi fenomena ekonomi di masa depan. Istilahnya kayak gitu. Nah, statement ini digunakan untuk kayak methods, alat lah untuk untuk apa ya, memastikan bahwa ini benar atau enggak. Contoh, gitu. Kalau biasanya dosen pakai teori konsumsi, itu nanti ada apa sama apa. Nah, itu namanya statement of theory or hypothesis. Nanti hipotesis sebenarnya ada lagi. Hipotesis itu intinya adalah sesuatu teori yang belum diuji kayak gitu. Tapi kalau buat jawab soal seperti ini cuma gini aja. It's statement that we use or reference for measurement in economics. Udah sesimpel itu. Kan suruh explain. Terus number two is specification of the mathematical model of consumption. Ini sebenarnya bukan of consumption. Ini consumption ini nggak usah diperhatikan. The consumption you don't need to put the attention. So your answer will be specification of the mathematical model. Okay. Forget from the consumption because since actually econometric have so many models, I just used a consumption for the example in here, and it will be the what is it, the model, it will be like this one, y equals beta 1 plus beta 2 x and the others. It's called the mathematical model for econometric. So the second step of this methodology is you apa ya, membuat mathematical model kayak gitu. Jadi yang pertama tadi adalah statement, yang kedua mathematical model, terus yang ketiga ini ada specification of statistical or econometric model. Ini sebenarnya sama ya. It's same. All the same number 2 and number 3. I just rotate and actually you guys just can answer like specification after the statement and theory hypothesis. You just answer the specification of statistical or econometric model. You just answer like that, and the answer it will be and the explain it will be like this. Now as y in here, it's a dependent variable, and the beta 1 beta 2 x is a dependent variable, just like that. Yeah. And the third one, after you answer the specification of the econometric model, you will be answer for obtaining data. So the methodology after you doing a model is obtaining the data. So you have to obtain the data to measure the model that you will be measure. Yeah, actually it's like apa ya? Mengambil data kayak nanti bakal dijelasin sih sebenarnya sama dosennya. Seharusnya kalau kalian already follow this apa ya? Already follow the uh, econometric, you will be know. Gitu. Di apa sih sebenarnya? Ini kan sebenarnya nggak usah dijelasin lagi karena wait, aku ngecek dulu ya. Oh ini suaranya bagus. Um, jadi habis kita obtaining the data or obtaining the data, the second one and the fourth one it will be estimation the parameters of econometric model. Jadi kayak ya udah estimasi aja. Tapi sebenarnya yang ini itu tuh penting nggak penting kayak ya it's okay if you will mention the step for the estimation, but it's okay too if you not mention it. After you estimation, like answer the estimation of parametric economic model. What is the estimation? Sebenarnya, you just answer like answer estimation is just answer like ya estimation menghitung, menghitung parametric economic model ya ya udah menghitung aja karena di soal kita hanya diminta untuk explain the stage kan, nggak usah seribet ini sih sebenarnya. Terus pakai table segala macam nggak usah seribet ini. Ya ya udah dihitung biasa aja kayak ngomong biasa aja sebenarnya ada parameter econometric model udah gitu aja mau dijelasin apa lagi soalnya after that the hypothesis testing hypothesis testing it's testing the apa ya statement that not already test so in econometric kalian itu bakal menguji apa ya statement yang belum teruji. Nah jadi ini salah satu langkahnya hypothesis testing udah itu aja itu saja hypothesis testing is testing the hypothesis that uh, didn't already tested ya kayak gitu aja terus yang terakhir itu forecasting atau prediction yang tadi jadi after all the step it's forecasting forecasting yang apa forecasting itu prediction the economic phenomena so udah jawabnya berarti apa the classic methodology approach consists of several stages. First one is statement or hypothesis. Apa tadi? It's statement that we use for measure the econometrics. The second one is ini aja specification the econometric model. Nomor 2 dan 3 ini gabung ya. Number 2 and number 3 actually it's apa ya? Separated but you can answer only one like this one number 3 or you want the answer number 2 just pick one. Yeah. And then move on to obtaining the data. What is obtaining the data? Obtaining the data is, of course, obtaining the data. The 5th one is estimation, the parameters or the econometric model. Yeah, after you already doing all that approach, and you will be move on to calculate. Yeah, estimation is more like calculate the this one, the model. Yeah, just answer like that. And then hypothesis testing is testing the hypothesis that you apa that you use that you use for the econometric and the last one is forecasting or prediction just like that for number 1. Okay, don't put attention in this because I use this for just for answer more specific but you don't have to for the egg one actually you can mention but if you want to mention 7 until number 7 it's enough but if you want to like more specific you can mention also number 8 but if you want more understand you can see at the book that lecture given and the number 2 why is econometric different from the field of statistics and mathematics? Explain the factor and distinguish econometric at its own breadth study. Actually, in this one, You can answer like this. Wait, before you mention on my answer, if you want doing a simple answer, you can answer like econometric consists of three science: statistic, mathematics, and economy itself. The statistic, ini blah blah blah, purpose uh, involve analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data in any field. The mathematics still with abstract concept, theoretical framework, algebra, calculus, and the others. So statistic, it's more like the sample of the statistic. It's if you calculating 1 plus 1. Actually, in mathematics, we will answer two, but in statistic, it cannot be like that because 1 plus 1, it can be a 3, it can be a 4. Yeah, it's statistic. For the mathematics, yeah, like you guys already apa pelajari, are you already do it in from elementary school? Yeah, 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah, mathematics, it's like that. For the economic, yeah, economic is science that test apa ya, sense ilmu yang ya ekonomi it's like yeah, in conclusion yeah, this econometric is an amalgam of economic theory, mathematical economics, and economic statistic and mathematical statistic. The reason why economic was separated discipline are ini empirical testing, economic theories. Well, ekonomi itu sebenarnya kalian apa ya, jawab cuman kayak gak usah seribet ini ya, ini kan di buku kan ribet banget, kalian tinggal bilang kayak karena ketiga ilmu tadi digabung, jadi itu akan menjadi ilmu yang berbeda. Ini nanti pakai bahasa kalian sendiri nggak apa. Jadi econometric menjadi ilmu yang baru. Kayak gitu sebenarnya nggak apa-apa sih jawabnya. Seenaknya aja. Tapi kalau kalian mau ikut ini, nih kalian bisa baca, bisa screenshot atau apapun itu. Sebenarnya di buku ada semua sih ini. Terus nomor 3, describe the simple regression models and multiple regression model, explain the profile example, bla 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 bla. Iya, bentar saya minum dulu. Kemudian, describe simple and modern ya. Simple regresi itu sebenarnya apa sih? Simple regresi itu seperti ini. Nih, a simple regression model is used to examine relationship. Sebenarnya nggak usah aku jelasin. Gampangnya, ini simple regression model itu kayak gini nanti bentuknya. It's general for simple regression model. Contohnya, contohnya nanti yaitu konsumsi. Ini kayak kita ambil tadi ya, konsumsi itu ya udah. Ini rumusnya dapat dari mana? Dapat dari Google, ada, ada banyak semua. Sebenarnya kan nggak usah mention ke rumusnya kayak gimana, nggak usah seperti itu, tapi bentuknya aja sih. Tuh, bentuknya. Tapi kalau kalian suruh ngasih contoh kan ini kan explain mana sih tadi? Provide examples kan ya udah using ini aja. Ini kan mau chat di ChatGPT juga ada. Tuh. Jadi Y itu sebenarnya kan konsumsi expenditure, X-nya income, X itu ini. Kenapa ini dinamakan simple linear regression model? Why the name is simple regression model? Because the independent variable, the X1, it's just one, uh, it's just one, ya. Jadi nggak ada double di sini, cuma X ya udah satu aja. Beda sama yang it's different with the multiple regression variable. It's like this, right? The X is many X in here. It's called multiple regression model. Oke. Jadi lanjut ke contohnya tadi ya. X-nya apa? X-nya income. Nah, terus ini betanya tell us how much consumption increase bla bla bla. Ini contoh, karena kan tadi sudah jelasin contoh. Terus yang multiple regression kayak gimana? Ini multiple regression kayak gini. Durasinya sama relation between bla bla bla. Bisa baca sendiri. Y-nya sama, masih sama ya. Konsumsi expenditure, X1-nya income, X2-nya interest rate. Nah, jadi itu ada tambahan di apa ya? Multiple regression model. Jadi independent variabelnya itu lebih dari satu. Ketika independent variable lebih dari satu, itu dinamakan multiple regression model. Just like that. Okay. Okay, number 4. Stochastic disturbance term, error term, are the one measure used at analytical blah 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 method explain them Meaning of the stochastic disturbance term typically found in regression model. So in book, you will be made like this to what is it? Models. We call models, okay? Actually, it's already same. You want it's up to you one which one you want to use, this one or this one. So OE, OE, UI, yeah, sorry, we're using this. UI is an unobservable random variable taking positive or negative value. Technically, UI is known as the stochastic disturbance or stochastic error terms. So, UI, kita pakai bahasa Indonesia, UI-nya ini adalah sesuatu yang nggak bisa diobservasi, random. Ini nggak tahu nih positif atau negatif. We don't know this UI is positive or negative. It's called stochastic disturbance or stochastic error terms. This answers you don't have to wait. Explain the meaning of stochastic distribution. Oh, so in conclusion, yeah, you can answer this one. You can mention in this one if you want to mention. This one. In conclusion, stochastic problem in economic refers to random, unpredictable variation that affects the dependent variable like consumption yang kita jelasin tadi di atas, but is directly explained by the model. This randomness is captured by the stochastic disturbance or error term. Jadi ya itu tadi. Stochastic, kalau mau jawab gimana? Stochastic problem di econometry menuju kepada sesuatu variabel yang random yang berefek kepada dependent variabel seperti konsumsi, tapi tidak secara langsung dijelaskan di dalam model. Kerandoman ini, mana bahasa Indonesia berarti? Itu aja ya. Ditangkap oleh stochastic disturbance. Nah, stochastic disturbance. Jadi nanti bentuknya sebenarnya kayak gini. Tapi ya udah, ini bentuknya aja, ini nggak usah dimention aja. Jawabannya yang tadi in conclusion ini tadi kayak gitu. Terus tapi kalian kok mau nambahin kayak gini? It include random event blah blah blah. It's up to you, I guess ya. Terus okay, number 5. There are two types evaluating normality. Explain the two methods normality testing and how research data can be set as normality distribute. Okay. Evaluating normality. There are both graphical and statistical method for evaluating normality. Jadi in evaluating normality, there are two apa ya? Two graphical. Two methods. There are two methods. The first one is graphical. The second one is statistical. You can see already in here. Graphical method include the histogram, normality plot, its normal and distribution. It's normal if the distribution following the line and spread surround it. I can show you the example. I cannot show you the example, but yeah, it can be like this. Statistical method include diagnostic hypothesis, test, multi for the random. Because the question is there are two explain the two methods normality testing and how research data can be set as normality distributed. So yeah, just answer like this. Here I'll put ini and statistical method and evaluating normality. Graphical method equal the histogram normality plot is normal if the distribution following the line and spreads around it. Statistical method include diagnostic hypothesis tests for normality and rules of thumb that says variable reasonably close to normal if its significance value is greater than 0.05. Yeah, just like that. For the normal thing evaluating nanti ada beberapa cara kayak ini normal QQ, histogram, system lift. Ini untuk yang grafikal. Nah, yang statistikal ada Kolmogorov, Smirnov, terus ada Shapiro, gitu lah. Tapi nggak usah mention ini karena kamu ditanyain karena apa ya? Explain two methods kan. Jadi ya udah jelasin ini aja. Ini titik pertama sampai ketiga ini. Set. By the way, ini soal tahun berapa ini? 2023. So this third question is from 2023. I don't know for the next year will be period or not. So yeah. Nomor 5. Nomor 6 ya berarti. Ya tuh ini nomor 6 biasanya gimana ya? A quoting company blah 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 blah. Actually guys, the question is make the interval estimation with confidence level at 95% average population. P the terminal error. I cannot explain this one, but you can see the answer. From the make the interval estimation, you can give the information first, the like this, and some n is the what is it? N is here. Sample for the school bags. 3,000. 300,000 is what is it? The average price. So we use X in here. And I forgot what is it? The standard deviation is 45,000 is already mentioned in question. So how to we calculate the A? A, I'm sorry. Make the interval estimation blah, blah. So the interval estimation 95%. This is the what is it? The formula. Oh yeah, before you calculate the formula, you have to calculate this first. Okay, I don't know how to explain for the formula in here, but you can follow my steps. Yeah, just use calculator. It's okay. And then you move on, just put in the number like this one, this one, this one. So, oh yeah, for the standard deviation, why I got 1.96, it because the formula in here, the confidence level is 95%. The 95%, it will be 1.96. If you still don't understand, you have to search, what is it? Look for the standard deviation. Standard deviation, it will be have four, I think, 90%, 95%. 100% and like I forgot. Yeah, something like that. And then yeah, just calculate it like this one, and you'll be answer this one. Yeah, and then from A, it's done. It's just like this. On the margin error, yeah, margin error, it's more easy to calculate. And then it's standard deviation, blah blah blah. X, it's apa ya? Average, rata-rata. What is it? Standard deviation. My egg pointer to blah blah blah. It's from here, yeah. Yeah, it's just answer like this. The step is like this, yeah. I don't know how to explain because it's mathematics. It's more mathematics. Yeah, just like that, maybe. That's all for me. Yeah, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.